Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you our warehouse in China. So our warehouse is located in Yiwu in Zhejiang province in the south part of China. Probably you have heard of Yiwu city. It's the world's largest commodity market is located here, which is called Futian market. So our warehouse is also nearby the Futian market. We have clients from different parts of the world, and when we get a new order, we bring the products to our warehouse and we check, do the inspection, and then from here we repack it and send to our clients. And let's go to our warehouse and see the different parts of our warehouse. Some of our colleagues already busy with the today's orders or earlier orders, and they're organizing them to send to our clients to overseas. So here you see many cartons. It's a little bit chaotic because this is a warehouse and everybody is busy. So this part of our warehouse is mostly for the online shopping and drop shipping. So we do drop shipping and also we do Amazon FBA. Some of our clients from European market and English-speaking countries, they have their own shops on Amazon or other online platforms. So when they order from China, we get the products here, and from here we do the labeling to send it to Amazon FBA. Also, some of our clients who are selling on other online platforms, we get their order directly through our API, and from here we do the drop shipping. When our clients they got a new order, our system automatically tells us that we have a new order, and we do the packing and sending to clients to different countries. So this part is basically for the online shopping and drop shipping. Some of our colleagues are busy doing inspection and checking the goods. Also, same thing here, busy colleagues with the products. Let me also show you the other parts that our colleagues are doing the packing and sending to overseas market. So as I told you earlier that we have our own API and it will be connected to the Shopify. So whenever you do Shopify and also other online platforms, when you have a new order, our system will directly print the new order, and our colleagues will do the packaging. And after doing the packaging, the products will be ready to be shipped overseas. And from here, so different colleagues, they're responsible for different products, and when they do the packing, and it will come here, and then here another colleague will check which package belongs to which country or goes to where. So as you see, there are some shelves, and for the drop shipping, because our clients, which are mainly businesses, they already have a specific product, and we store their products here. When new order comes, take the goods and ship it to the consumers. So here, the next section will there is the next section. So as I told you earlier, this part is all about the online shopping and drop shipping. This is the new shopping, and here this is the traditional trading. So mostly about one container shipment or bigger orders. So from here, our colleagues will pack and send the goods to overseas to our clients. Also, we had a showroom in the past, but now we are not focusing that much on the showroom. Maybe in the future we will, in near future, we will also change our warehouse to another place. So, and we also do electronic motorbikes. So this was the showroom, but now it's a little bit messy. So thank you guys staying with us, and if you have any question about doing business in China, or you're thinking about coming to China, or any inquiry about products, machineries, just let us know. We will be happy to cooperate with you and to work with you. And now we are outside the warehouse loading one container.